Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClendon, and today I'm going to talk about crypto staking. I'm going to go into the top crypto staking for 2023 and on a few other platforms, so let's dive right into it, guys. But if you guys are new to the channel, guys, please subscribe, smash the like button, helps out the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys are trying to get in contact with me, check out my Telegram, okay? So we're going to talk about that sweet passive income to that financial freedom. Instead of being dollars, we're talking about crypto, okay? So off this blog, guys, I found this really good site that I'm going to go through. Basically, here's some of the top cryptocurrencies and what you guys are going to be earning. So we got Ethereum, which I currently I stake, but I stake it on Coinbase, and it's about that same amount, about 2.5%. You have Cardano at about 5%. We have Tezos at 5.89%, and Solana about 5.6%. And we have some of the bigger ones like Cosmos at almost 25%. Algorand at 7.2, and Near Protocol at about 9. Now, there's multiple platforms where you guys can, stake on. Just be aware of how you can get your cryptocurrency in and out. And when it comes to these platforms, guys, especially like Coinbase, to me, Coinbase is one of the best platforms to stake. Maybe not be the highest, but safest and secure exchanges. So here's Coinbase. Here's some of the higher yields. You got USD Coin. Got Ethereum at 3.6, a little bit higher than the website I just showed you before. Solana, Polkadot at 9.7. So it's really easy to start staking on them. You guys can pretty much start in a few minutes. You can just use it through your phone. So really easy to start. But let's look at the market a little bit, okay? So let's check out Ethereum. Now we're looking at the monthly since Ethereum came out. It came out very, very small. We're talking about like a few dollars until this 1,000 plus. Now, what I like about staking is that you get a kind of a passive cash flow that can help you dollar cost or crypto cost average throughout the market. So you can use those steady profits or steady amounts of crypto to buy other cryptos to stake even more. Or what I would do, just re-enter into Ethereum and just basically have multiple positions getting in there. And an example of that, something a little bit more volatile and has a higher yield, is Cosmos. And Cosmos, has been, collapsing like most cryptos have been from their height, like Ethereum also. But that constant stream can definitely help out, especially if you have any buy positions up here or like Ethereum up here to help, help out with that losing amount of profits. But with 5%, it's not going to be too much back, but currently with Cosmos is at 25%, so it's pretty high. But I really wanted to show you guys that and why I like to stake, because staking is a really good way of earning some cash flow. I do trade these cryptos pretty constantly, but getting some cash flow does help out to buy the cryptos. Like my favorite one overall is Hedera, and I can buy as much Hedera when I start getting into from Ethereum to Hedera with staking. But give you guys some update for my website. I added a whole bunch of things. I added some dividend stuff that will be loading also. There's some trading signal stuff that will be announcing in the group. So please, guys, join the Telegram. The link is below. It's going to be in the first comment. And if you have any questions or comments about staking or cryptocurrency or just trading in general, let me know either in my Telegram or on the YouTube channel comment section. All right, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video.